Hey guys, Anthony Day here, Fayetteville, North Carolina. Welcome back to another video session in regards to the reasons why you are losing money to the big three. Now, I'm with the Extra Digit Movement, and what we do is we show people how to increase their income and expand their cash flow one digit at a time through financial literacy. Now, most Americans have two objectives, and that is to be able to pay for their current lifestyle with their labor. The second objective is to be able to live off of that income that you've generated over your labor in your future lifestyle. That is not exactly how it works. If you're new to my channel, please come down to the comment section and write down where you are from. Let us know where you are watching this video from. We like to know this because it's important to know how far this information is going and who we are reaching. And it also helps out our channel by something to do with the YouTube ratio and ratings. Now, like in the last video, like I was saying, this is video actually number 5, the solutions to the 4 financial challenges. So if you have missed that, please go back to video number 1, and it should be on my playlist down here. Go back to video number 1 and watch those videos until you get back up to here. I am going to go over a quick recap just to bring people up to speed. It's going to be quick. It's not going to be in detail, but it will be something that you can use to kind of refresh your memory. So like I was saying, and I have my notes here too, so I won't make sure I forget anything. Now, all of your financial challenges are actually affecting the two objectives. Okay, your two objectives are to generate income to be able to cover your lifestyle currently, and to have assets to be able to invest in your future lifestyle. Those are the two objectives. The problem is there are 4 challenges that are stopping you from being able to be successful in generating this income for your financial goals. So the problem is that you're falling behind because of these 4 challenges. Number 1, inflation. If you recall, inflation is the silent income killer, and the reason why it's called that is because it sneaks up on you. You have no idea what's happening because over a period of time, the cost of goods and services are being raised and your income is staying the same. Everyone's experienced this before. If you have kids, you've done the daycare experience where you walk in, there's a note that's on the wall saying that the cost of the services are going to increase, tuition is going to increase, and then bam, you get hit with it. Most of us, everybody's experienced it at the pump. When you go and you pump your gas. 20, 30 years ago, you could get miles to the gallon at 99 cents, which basically meant you paid $20 to drive the whole week. So basically, inflation is the cost of goods increasing as your money stays the same, which means that the value of your dollar is dropping every single day. Now, don't get discouraged by that because there are solutions to this. You need to understand you need to put your money in an asset. That way you can build income and it will outpace inflation, which brings us to number 2. Reason number 2 is taxes. Taxes is called the chainsaw massacre. It is actually one of your biggest expense, if not the biggest one. Matter of fact, it is the biggest one. Why? Because you got taxes. Listen, the thing is that most Americans are overpaying on their taxes. Anthony, how do you know this? It's because you're getting a refund. Now, if you remember, means, again, fund means money. So it's your money being given back to you again. That's why it's called a tax refund. And every single year, you celebrate getting it. Did you know you're getting taxed on it when you get it back? Just saying. So let's talk about these taxes real quick. Taxes is called the chainsaw massacre because they take it off the top. It's 1/3 off your income. 1/3. Basically, what you're doing is you are working for the government from January to April. You've decided to give the government a bulk of your money. This brings us into number 3, debt, the family curse. Well, that's interesting. Now, we can all agree that a sin is something that you do, and a curse is something that's done to you. Taxes cause debt. So if the government got you into debt, don't you think they should get you out? This brings us to number 4, big business. Now, I keep mentioning big business, or the big 3. The thing about the big 3 is this. That is the government, that is the banks, and that is big business. Now, everybody contributes to big business, and we do it in different ways. Cars, boats, luxury items, whatever your poison is, everyone participates. Gotta have the new iPhone, have to have the new fastest computer. The thing is, every single month though, they issue this calendar, or every year they issue this calendar out. So you can hang in your cubicle at work, or in your office, or at your house. In most cases, this calendar was given to you free of charge. But you know what's on that calendar? Every holiday there is throughout the year. This calendar has strategically been set up to remind you of what is due when it's due. Simply put, there's holidays every single month of the year. We just left out of October. October was what? Halloween. That was $1 billion day sale for the industry. $1 billion made in one day. From October, we went into November. November, we had Brown Thursday. Sales were already starting to pump out. After that, we had Thanksgiving. And then after Thanksgiving, we had Black Friday. That's right, Black Friday, and now Cyber Monday, and then Christmas, New Year's, Valentine's Day in February. It goes on and on and on until it's back into the month of October again, which we're now back to what? Halloween, another $1 billion day. Like I said, there's nothing wrong with having a job. Not one thing at all. As long as your job has a function, and that function is to pay for your current lifestyle. The extra income that you generate should be used for your future lifestyle. But in order for that to happen, you have to invest it into an asset that will bring you more money. Money likes money. Here's a test. Ask yourself this. If you were to stop working today with the money that you saved and invested, would you be able to sustain your current lifestyle? Which brings us to how we are going to accomplish this, how we're going to teach you how to stop losing money to the big 3. Income shifting is what it's called. We're talking about cash flow management, business income, and investing income. Now, understand something. The government uses these fancy tax codes to be able to classify where you fall in at. And, codes such as W-2, 1099, a Schedule C, a 401k. A W-2 simply means that you just chose the highest tax bracket. That's all it means. You work, you get taxed, and then you spend. If you look at this really close, at 1099, a business owner actually pays only 18 to 23%, where you're paying a total of 28 to 33%. An investor only gets taxed at 15%. So right there, you can already see the difference and the importance of having a business. Don't get caught in the end of work era. It is projected that 1 million jobs will be lost to artificial intelligence. 47 million jobs have already been lost to the coronavirus. This is the time for you to BYOB. Be your own boss. Now, if you said bring your own beer, or if you said bring your own bottle, go back to video number 1 and start all over again. All right, I'm just kidding. All right, so do me a favor. Understand this. Your money is going to make somebody rich. It's just a matter of who it's going to be. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to tune back in for the next one that's coming up. That's going to be going in more in-depth explanation of the 3 solutions with cash management, the business, and the investment. Text me below if you want more information at 910-978-0970. That's 910-978-0970. Text me, I want to income shift, to that number. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video. Like and subscribe.